So this is an area that we've planted very recently, and you can see that there's not a lot of mulch and also not a lot of ground cover, and that's something to avoid. So we've come through and actually planted more ground cover and added some more mulch, just because when we established the site 6 months ago, we thought we had done everything right, but now it turns out that some patches are just more bare, and it's an opportunity always to come back in and add more mulch and to do more planting, just because it's really not great for the soil life and for the soil in general if you leave this exposed. Now here we have a productive tree, a lemon, and then right next to it we'll have the Sesbania sesbon. And we've pruned it strategically because the rains are here and rainfall exceeds evaporation. Now this lemon really benefits from the mulch and from the nitrogen that's released also by the Sesbania. If you are more interested in details, check out my other video on this. Even a tomato that can grow in here right now, and that's something that we're really trying to stress as well for all the farmers and everybody who's taking this system up, is that you're not really wasting land, you're not really wasting space by establishing a food forest, because in the beginning it's really just like a normal piece of land that you can work on, and you can use it almost as a annual vegetable garden, as a market garden. You can plant berries, or you can plant indigenous vegetables, you can plant cabbages and cowpeas and sweet potatoes. So the yield is actually quite high, and you're getting this yield while waiting for the productive trees to kick in. And once the productive trees kick in, you can make a lot more income, but you can also have much higher nutritional diversity and a lot more to eat in all seasons, really. And we've just again come through very recently to to free some of those productive trees from the competition. Cut back the sweet potato, cut back the beans, put it down as mulch, so that we accelerate and fast track the growth of this food forest.